Meaning of data projector.
Data projector.
Data projector.
Data projector.
Data projector. A data projector is a device that projects images, videos, or other visual content onto a larger screen or surface. It is commonly used in classrooms, conference rooms, and other settings where visual presentations are required. The projector receives input from a computer or other digital device and processes it into a high-resolution image that is then projected through a lens onto a screen or wall. This allows multiple people to view the contents simultaneously and enables more effective communication and collaboration.